Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in Mallorca. We've rented this 5-litre Ford Mustang and it would be criminal not to go for a ride, wouldn't it? So we're going for a drive along the famous, what's it called, Janet?
Sa Calobra.
Yeah, it's like the Snake Road in Mallorca.
Means snake, doesn't it, in Spanish?
Got a Ford Mustang, convertible. It's going to be epic. So we've just hit a little rest stop. There's toilets, a little cafe, little gift shop. Lots of cyclists here. This is a very popular road for cyclists and tourists. If you're on the island of Mallorca, make sure you do this drive. It's absolutely amazing. So we're making our way up the mountain to where we pick up the road that goes to the port village of Sa Calobra, and it's going to be an epic drive. It really is. Can't wait to take this car out and put it through its paces. Lots of winding roads. It was opened in, I think it was 1933, and it was actually built with tourists in mind. So it's a very picturesque drive. It's a must if you're on the island of Mallorca. And yeah, really looking forward to this. We've been here for a few days now. It's my birthday. My family rented this car for me for my birthday. And we're just going to have a look over the cliff so we can actually see the road itself that we're going to be driving down. I'll take the drone up in a moment and show you that. But look at that road. Can't wait to get up there. Here we are from the drone. Lots of switchbacks, lots of hairpins. There is a 270-degree spiral bridge as well. We'll be driving through that. And look how amazing this road looks. There is a little port at the bottom of the road. We'll be stopping there as well, so stay tuned for that. But really cannot wait to take this drive. There's the sea in the distance. Lovely aerial view of the cars. Sa Calobra is translated as into the serpent in Spanish. And it really does look like a snake, doesn't it? There it goes, all the way down through the mountains. Let's get going. So we're actually on the way down now. We came from that viewpoint where we took the drone up, and we're going to be having a nice leisurely drive through the mountains down to the port village of Sa Calobra. Lots of hairpins, as I said, lots of cyclists, so you've got to be a bit careful when you're going around the corners. People overtaking cyclists. So a nice leisurely drive down the mountain. It's quite wide, this road at the moment, but it does get a lot narrower, you'll see later on. And you can see over the edge there the road twisting around through the mountains. We're in the north of Mallorca, northwest of Mallorca. And yeah, this is just an amazing day, beautiful sunshine. It was about 28 degrees today. We're in the middle of September. And it's just an amazing drive. We're using the 360 camera to give you guys a better view. Janet's holding it out of the roof there. Look at this road twisting round to the left. And you can see on the right hand side the road twisting around. So it's very open at the moment. You can see cars coming from the opposite side, so it's very safe. There are a few times later on where the corners are blind, you won't be able to see anything. So you've got to be very careful. Yesterday we visited Valdemosa and Dea, and we were in a Fiat 500. A lot different to today's car. Maybe the Fiat 500 is more suited to this road, but this Mustang is a lot more fun. This is a sort of challenge, this road, for a lot of cyclists. I think it's got the steepest climb on the island. And of course, going down to the port of Sa Calobra, the only way back is to actually climb back up again through this road. So at the end of the video I will do a time lapse of our drive back up it. Stay tuned for that. But I can't wait to get to the bottom on this very hot day. Maybe grab a beer. Lots of buses come down this road as well, so you have to be a bit careful because they do try and squeeze past in some areas. A lot of motorcyclists as well. Got a couple in front of us there. Look at this beautiful sort of opening here in the rocks. Amazing. We're going a bit further down the mountain now, a lot more greenery. Still got these motorcyclists in front of us. I think they're on Harley Davidsons or something. It's just such a beautiful drive all the way down the mountain. So sometimes you do actually have a bit of a little traffic jams while waiting for cars to go past. And look at this very tight, really tight sort of route through the rocks. Just let these cyclists go past, and we'll carry on our way. And a couple of cars here. Oh dear. Try and squeeze past them. I think if we were in the Fiat 500 it would have been an easy pass, but there's no way we're getting through that gap in this car. Thankfully they're reversing out of the way and we can be on our way down the mountain. Another tight squeeze here. It looks like we're clear now. And off we go. Such beautiful countryside all around you. Really is a must if you're on the island. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes to drive down. Same going up. And we've actually made it now to the bottom. We're entering the port de Sa Calobra. I think we will get a well-earned drink at the bottom. And look at this view you're met with at the bottom. This lovely sort of Cala port. That boat there on the water. We'll make our way down. And look at that. Truly an amazing view. Well worth the drive down. So we've made it to Port de Sa Calobra, I think it is. We went down that mountain road and we've reached the bottom.
We had no idea this was here, so it's a really nice surprise. We're both starving.
And we need a drink.
You need a beer.
I need a beer.
I need some really nice orange juice.
We're going to enjoy the food.
We're going to find a place to chill. And thank God we didn't bring our swimming costumes because there's a sign warning us of jellyfish.
Yep.
So let's go and see the restaurant.
So we're going to make our way back to the little port village. Just just take in these lovely views before we go. There we are. There's some shops, restaurants here. Great place to grab a drink. Beautiful views, as you can see. Off we go, back up to get our car, and the lovely ride back up the mountain. Here we go, this is just sped up. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you did like the video, please hit the like button, it really does help the channel out. Make sure to subscribe as well, it's free to do so, and it really does help us out. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned, guys, bye for now.